Hello, in this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook account. Click here. Click on Settings. Click here. Click here. Choose the second option. Select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Click here. Choose any choice. Type the password of your Facebook account. Click here. Great job! If you liked the video, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to receive all our videos. You can also watch the video clip displayed in front of